So hello and as always, welcome back to Learn EMG. So here I've got an iPhone 16 Pro, 17 Pro is also in our channel. And today we're going to speak a little bit about upgrading your actual iPhone. So many of you have been asking me, and many of you have been telling me, no, I think the correct thing to do is just wait because the latest versions normally have bugs. Well, totally, it's really the opposite, okay? So I'm going to tell you a quick small stories to try and put perspective. Let's imagine you have an iPhone 4, okay, or an iPhone 5, and you see the iOS and you say, no, I'm not going to upgrade it because this iOS works really well. Okay, yes, but have you seen the latest iOS? I mean, it's pretty much amazing, no? So you wouldn't actually try to, let's say, keep up with the versions of the iPhone 4. No, well, the same can be applied right now. Yes, it is true that some versions will make especially older iPhones a little bit slower, but in the reality, you're sacrificing a little bit of effectiveness or quickness for an actual great iOS. I mean, each year the iOS just get better. So I certainly think that it's a totally a great thing to do to upgrade your iPhone to the latest possible version. So if you've got an iPhone 10, to the latest possible version of the iPhone 10. I really think that you get the positive side of Apple, and I strongly suggest that you upgrade to the latest version you possibly can. Okay, I think that's a great advice, and I've been doing that up to the latest models, inclusive an 11 model we've got also for recording, and I haven't had any issues whatsoever. Let me know in the comments what you think, and thank you very much for watching.